That's a lot.
Okay, guys, so all these poppets are going to go in the middle of the street, and we are going to run them over. We're going to see what happens, guys. So, come on, Joe, bring them. I think there's probably like a lot. I don't even know how many, but there's a lot.
Like 100.
Yeah, nobody goes out the gate. Nobody, Lila, nobody. Only Joe. You guys stay right here on this side because it's dangerous. No, I could open it. We'll get it.
Okay, wait. You still have to open it.
Okay, guys, it's so hot out here. It's like, I think like already 100. Okay. Put it apart. Let's put it right here. Right here. Okay, here she comes. There she goes. Walking down the street. Wait, no, not like that. Here. Let me set them up, Barry. Pile them up high like a mountain.
Why mountain?
Because they're going to go over them, see what happens.
Olivia said, I want pop.
Alright, guys, so we are going to run over these babies and see what happens. We're going to see if they pop. Okay, guys, that's what we want to see.
Mom, I told you someone took the Gatorade.
Oh, they did?
Someone took the Gatorade.
Just tilt it over.
Exactly, that sounds better too.
Guys, there's so many poppets, but Joe, take these out. These, get those out. We're not going to run those over because we actually don't know what's going to happen. And just pile them up. Pile them up. Put them around. Like the ones that are loose, just put them on the top. See the ones that are loose, just put them on the top, okay? Like the ones that are loose on the floor. Yeah, like that. Okay, guys. We're going to see what happens, okay?
Hey guys, I'm back, and today we're going to run over poppets.
Over 100 poppets we're going to run over. And we're going to see if they pop.
If they pop.
Yeah, because if they pop with your fingers, they should really pop with the tire, right? They're called
That's gonna be
poppets.
satisfying.
So we're going to do that, and
That's gonna be
we're
satisfying.
going to see if they pop. Let's pop these. So we just need a car. Guys, we don't have a car. We have a Suburban right there. We have all these cars, but no drivers.
That
So
we can use
we'll be
Bobby's
back.
car.
Yeah, now go forward. Slow, slow. Back it up. Oh, they're popping. Go again. Well, you're making too much noise with your car.
They're dirty.
Okay, go again. Okay, back up all the way. Back up, back up, back up. Okay, turn your wheel that way because you're not, okay. Now go slow, slow. Wait, not yet.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, go slow so I can hear it. Go.
That was not slow.
That was not slow. All right, guys. All right, guys, so he's going too fast.
He needs to get away.
They are popping though, guys.
He's like turning.
Go slow, slow. They're popping. Keep on going. Okay, good job. Thank you. Okay, guys, so they did pop. You guys did hear them popping, right? All right. So, give me a hand. So they did pop. They did pop, guys. They're all dirty. Nothing happened to them. They're just dirty, but they did pop. Ariana, they did pop. They did pop.
Ew, they're all dirty.
They're all dirty now. Yeah,
Okay, guys, so
they
that
did pop.
was- Yeah.
They did pop, guys.
And it
So-
felt weird when I was in the car.
Did it?
went up.
Okay, so
Bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time you post. Bye. Okay guys, so this is like the second day. But now we're gonna take them out, and I don't know who, but they messed them up, as you can see.
looks like somebody was eating it, huh?
Yes.
Okay, take one out, see if it works.
This one kind of hasn't been. Do I pop them or?
Yeah. Anyway. If that's the way it's gonna work.
No, that's definitely not working.
It's not working.
Look.
Where is it? Oh! It's a fail, guys! Okay, we failed twice. Okay, but you tried. That's the main thing, as long as you try. What, is it good? Okay, well, at least it's good, guys. She might have failed, but at least it's good. Okay. But she could play with it and eat Jell-O.
No, let's pop them out.
Pop them all out and see what happens.
Oh my god. Look at the.
That's what happened, guys. Is it good? Well, at least it's good. Guys, it was fail. That's the second fail we had with these. So, next what we're going to do is it's going to be a surprise.
Yes. Guys, this is disgusting.
You can do it. What is it? SMAR?
Oh yeah. ASMR.
Yeah.
Okay. And guys, I don't think no one's gonna eat this. So, bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post. Bye. This is strawberry. It's my favorite.